Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back. Asplenia here. This is an update on my Matchbox Super Service Center. I do have a video of unboxing this. So this is all actually built, so I thought I'd kind of go over and show you what it looks like. Now I've also done a couple of other things, just basically using a black marker and shading in a couple of areas to make it look a little bit more realistic, this or that. So let's start off. As you can tell, there's the Super Service Center right there. On the top here, got a couple of cars. Muscle car there on the dyno. Got a Nissan there over on the alignment. Little Monster Beetle there getting transmission work, or vice versa. I think that the transmission work should be the Beetle and not the Nissan. Got an SVX sitting here. Let's come around. And you can see the different shades I've done here too. Where's my finger? There it is. So again, it's just black marker. It's not supposed to look that good. It's supposed to look like kind of a used old building. As you can tell, I haven't done much here in the bottom because this was actually facing a wall at one point. I now have it up on a stand so it's easier to see. So over here we got someone traveling up. He's going to be heading on up into the upper level of the garage. Got some vehicles here. Nice little RX-7. A couple of them actually. One of my favorite cars since I own one. This RX-7 is going to be going into the tire center. This guy's just getting ready to drive out. Little Honda Civic getting gas. Now with the fuel pumps as well. Just lift this up for a second. So I colored in the blue recycling bins. Sorry, the light down here is not too good. I've tried adding LED lights, but it just makes everything flicker. So, and, whoa, there we go. Even on the top of that, I've made kind of a grid. When you look up here too, I also have, hold on, oil spots. Kind of oil spots. It's not a clean, area. This is where cars been driven on multiple times. Honda City. The Subaru. Guys in the wash bay and the tune-up bay. Little Mazda meat over here. So what are my thoughts on this playset? Well, right off the hop, I mean, it's Matchbox, and it's great. I find, I mean, I'm an adult and absolutely love this. I can't imagine what it'd be like as a kid to have this and be able to put all your cars and, I mean, have different things like the car wash and the tune-up and the tire shop. That alone is awesome. Working elevator. But from someone just getting into the die-cast hobby, I think this is really, really awesome. I mean, I work on my own cars and I do paint jobs on it, or whatever I want to do, and then I actually get to display them in a really cool atmosphere. I find myself constantly coming down. I'll move a car around, this or that. Won't lie, even make some car noises every once in a while. I mean, it looks good. In some of the still pictures that I have, it actually looks kind of real, which is exactly what I'm going for. Everything went together nice and easy. And play factor, I think, awesome. Everything is clipped together, awesome. I say awesome a lot. But everything is together very, very well. It's clipped on. It's not going to fall off. It's going to take a lot of abuse. This thing is going to be pretty much loved by me, and it all comes apart. So when I'm done with this and I just want to pack away in a box, it all comes apart nice and easy, and yeah, just store it away. All in all, I've really found I've spent a lot of time on this playset. Just again, coloring it up, mocking my cars up, doing what I want, and I think I have a really kind of cool collection of cars as well, which makes me even more motivated to do this. Now I have I have one of the gas stations coming as well. I got getting that for Christmas, which I'm looking forward to, and it's a Matchbox playset as well. So I'll be doing an unboxing on that and see how everything goes on that. It's the gas station looks a lot nicer than this one, but again, this is kind of like based off a vintage set, and I think it turned out really well. So let me know what you think in the comments. Is this something that that you'd like as an adult? Is this something that you would get, or would you think this is just for more for kids? I think this is a lot of fun, and this hobby is definitely easier to get into than my RC hobby. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button. I'm going to say the word awesome one more time. Awesome! And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.